Hi everyone, welcome back to iPhone Geek. Today, we're diving into the world of Hackintosh. If you've ever wanted to run macOS on a non-Apple computer, you're in the right place. In this detailed tutorial, I'll guide you through the entire process of creating your own Hackintosh from start to finish. First, a quick disclaimer. Building a Hackintosh can be a complex and time-consuming process, and there's a chance that not all hardware is compatible. Make sure to follow along carefully and do your own research on compatibility for your specific hardware. So, what exactly is a Hackintosh? Essentially, it's a PC that's been configured to run macOS. While it's not officially supported by Apple, many enthusiasts have managed to get it working smoothly with the right components and a bit of tweaking. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started. Here's a breakdown of what we'll be covering: preparation, what you need to know before starting, hardware requirements, the best components for compatibility, downloading macOS and tools, getting the software you need, creating the bootable USB, making a macOS installer, BIOS configuration, setting up your motherboard, installing macOS, the step-by-step process, post-installation setup, getting everything running smoothly, troubleshooting common issues, solving potential problems. By the end of this video, you'll have a working Hackintosh and a deeper understanding of how macOS works on non-Apple hardware. Let's jump in.